Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Paul Sherry Used Cars. We recognize that transparency builds trust, and one way we build that trust is by doing personal video walk-around reviews on each of our pre-owned vehicles, because we recognize no two pre-owned, in this case Toyota Tacomas, going to be the same. Now this is a 2021 Toyota Tacoma with under 40,000 miles. It is fully loaded up. It is the TRD Pro. It's got a 1-inch factory suspension lift system, upgraded factory shocks on this compared to the normal Tacomas. It is one slick truck. It's what they call a double cab, or what I would call the crew cab, 4-door pickup there. It's got the V6 in it. I think it's a 3.5 liter. Got your 3 amber lights up here. Got a big skid plate. Look at that under there. Let me get a shot of that. Got Goodyear tires on it and a lot of sidewall tread on that. A lot of off-road people, that's what they prefer, is a bigger sidewall on the tire, a little bit smaller rim. Those are 16-inch wheels. It's got your steps here. These steps are dual purpose. Again, another off-road item here. So not only do they help you get in and out of the truck, they actually are steel. They're going to protect the undercarriage of this, particularly the rocker panel here. If you do go off-road, maybe get a big boulder right here, it's going to protect it from denting below the doors there. Sorry for the dirt on the outside. Farmers are harvesting this time of year. It gets a little dusty around here. That's all right. We like our food, so we'll deal with it. Let's see here. Yeah, seat folds down. Pretty cool. Got a speaker back there. Got your rubber floor down there. This has got a unique cover here on the bed. I'll show you more when we get to the other side. The outside really looks to be in great shape. Got your backup camera. Towing receiver down here. It's a 2-inch towing receiver, which is standard size. Then you got your wiring there for towing, 7 and 4-pin. Backup sensors in the rear. It is 4-wheel drive, of course. This is what they call the Diamond Pack tonneau cover here. Flips up in the back, flips up in the front. Bed's got a lot of good space in it here. Got a power outlet back there. Then it's got your aluminum tray up there. Great spot for tools, things like that. You can see the underside of this here looks to be aluminum as well, so it's going to last for a good long time. And then this is built in such a way you can actually put things on top of this, which you can't do with any other tonneau cover that I'm aware of. I've never seen one. Then you got your tie-down spots all around here, so nice thing there. And then this part will flip up too. Pretty handy. Let's see here. Let's see. Something I'm missing. Well, you can see their tray down there, and this opens up further. I just got to have 2 hands to do it, so I apologize about that. Keeping one hand on the camera. Then you lock it in just by twisting that in place. And then this tonneau, these are lockable as well. Keep people from getting in there, keep your items secure. Financing is available on this, so we make it super easy, super transparent. Just check out the link I'll post below about that. Do it right from home, right on the device you're watching this on. All right, as we come in, really well equipped. Got leather seats, opening skylight. This is one owner, just traded it in. No accidents, no title issues. This is what they call a vehicle history report. Never buy a used vehicle without looking at one of these. We post these on our website. Got your upgraded radio, got built-in backup camera I just put in reverse. Couple angles there. Got bird's eye view too. Very nice. Let's see what else we got here. We've got, oh, looks like it might have navigation. Yeah, it's got navigation. I didn't realize that. I just pressed that. Audio, let's see here. Sources. AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth audio. Yeah, there's your map button right here if I would have just looked. Yeah, pretty cool. Down here you got your heat and air conditioning controls. It does have heated seats, 4-wheel drive selector, push button ignition starter, temperature control. It's dual zone, driver zone, passenger zone, and you can sync them together. You got blind spot monitoring here. This is how you turn on the electrical power outlet back there. Parking sensors, and then you got a rear power window. Pretty cool. And then you got a USB for charging here. And then that, I think this is something to do with speakers. I'm not a Toyota guy. You guys let me know what that button is. And then here we've got 12 volt power up here. Okay, I know what it is. I figured it out. That is for your wireless charger for your cell phone. So you can turn it on and off right here. A couple beverage holders, automatic transmission. It does have keyless entry. Another beverage holder here, e-brake, steering wheel's leather wrapped. It's got blind spot monitoring and, forward collision. Blind spot was down here. And then it's got lane assist as well. Traction control, power outlet there, and then we've got door where you can leave the lights on or have them turn on with the door opening and closing. You do have power locks and power windows as well as your power mirrors, and then right there is your cruise control. So it's got 38,223 miles on it. No warning lights on the dash. Looks nice and clean, up to date on its service. You've got your spots up here where you can program in your garage doors. You can lock the rear axle right here. That's part of the off-road package there. Got crawl mode, mountain mode. So this in Chrysler world is called Select Trek. Toyota, I'm sure it's got its version there, but it selects what kind of terrain you're driving in. So pretty nice. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. As always, thanks for hanging out. And this truck's not going to last long. I know these are hard to get brand new. This one's not hurt at all, and it's a great price. So take advantage of it while it's still here. Call to make sure it is still here. Take care. Bye-bye.